up, everyone? Welcome back to Ignorant Money Club. So today we have some huge news. This is probably the biggest news that we'll have for 2020 regarding TZERO. You guessed it right. I said it in my last video. I had a gut feeling. I knew this was going to happen. We have approval of TZERO Markets according to FINRA.
And eventually we will see the total market place very soon. I'm almost sure. Don't take my word for it, do your research, but I'm almost sure before 2020 is out, we should see it or have some news on when the marketplace is going to launch. I just don't think that they would be rolling out all of this stuff and not about to bring the TZERO markets into, like fruition. So
before we get too deep into the video, let's go ahead and smash up the like button. If you enjoy all of my content and want me to keep producing more, subscribe to the channel and just hit that alert and notification bell so that every time I put out new videos on the spot just like this, you'll be the first ones to be notified by it, because having news early can pretty much be the difference between making a couple $1,000s or making an investment on time. So let's jump into this video. So as I said before, according to FINRA, TZERO has been given approval to be a broker-dealer, which in turn, they will be able to have TZERO Markets go live. So just to give you all some background information on what FINRA is for anyone who doesn't know, FINRA is the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. So essentially think of them as like a governing agency that allows certain financial institutions to be able to operate, and they provide like the rules and the guidelines and things like that. So that's number one. So let me just give you a little bit of background and history. Last year, TZERO Markets, the future retail broker of the business, was submitted to FINRA. And this was a statement that was written last year as well. If the company receives approval, they plan to expand trading by combined equity and traditional securities with crypto and digital assets. So this is the thing that I've been talking about the whole entire time. If approved, they would be allowed to create a market where you can trade cryptocurrencies, security tokens, as well as traditional stocks, all within one exchange. They are even adding more to it, where you can trade 24/5, so 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and that is through some additional things that are going on, but I won't go too deep into that because that's not what this video is about today. So the social media is already flooding, all the news is out everywhere. They haven't had a PR yet, so public relations hasn't officially announced it, but I'm more than sure within a week, 2 weeks, these companies are strategic. They want to, announce it when it's best suited for the company. So I'm pretty sure it'll come out eventually. But for right now, the people that like to dig into these, documents within the FINRA website and check up on that type of stuff, they're always, people are going to find out stuff. But this is great because I can get the news to you even quicker. So if you go on the FINRA website, I'm going to drop the link in the description, so be sure to check that out. It says it right here, clear as day. TZERO Markets approved September 4th, 2020, and that's the SEC regulation status on it, or SEC registration status on it. So like I said, quick update. This is crazy news. I don't know if we'll see any price action tomorrow until they officially announce it. Sometimes people like to wait for that announcement. Me personally, I've loaded the boat. I've loaded up everything. Everyone who I talk to, I've already told them to load up. So this is only going to be a catalyst. If you see the price go down, just know I would highly believe that it's just manipulation in the market, and it's people trying to drive the price down. So don't fall into that. Don't have weak hands happens if you know, you see the price go down, because that means that these large institutional investors and these people with big money, they're trying to get in at a cheaper price. So don't fall into that trap if that is to happen this week. We're sitting at $6. We closed at $6 today. I only see up from here. If we go to $10 tomorrow, don't be surprised. I'm just saying, don't be surprised if we do go. But yeah, that's all the news that I have. Stay tuned. If we see anything super exciting later on this week, I'll have more updates. And just continue on supporting the channel. I really do this because I enjoy it. I want to see other people gain value. Even if you don't invest in it, I want to help educate you. Smash up that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed it, and hit that notification bell, and I'll be back to you with the latest and greatest content from Ignorant Money Club. Thanks, and you all have a great day.